The first thing to realise is that in this particular case we have a total of 16 joints in the assembly. So it's better to use numbers rather than check marks for reference points. All you do is align the numbers to the check marks machined on Dowelmax faces. I'll begin with the top rail. This is in fact joint number 13, so align the check mark to the numbers. So we have number 13 here and on this end here, or this edge. So we align Dowelmax to these numbers very carefully. Okay. Now I'm going to drill 1, 2, 4 and 5 using the 16th washers. That's to centre on the 7/8 thick wood. And I say we'll drill 1, 2, 4 and 5. That's that one complete. All accurate within thousandths of an inch. I'm now going to complete the leg joint. There's the X for the reference mark. Now in this case I'm using the 3/8 spacer between the reference bracket and the guide block. This in actual fact will give me a 5/16 offset. The difference in the 16th is because we've already used the 16th spacer in the other workpiece. Now again, check marks to the number 13, and the number 13 is on the end here. So carefully align it. And then do all the same rule, drill 1, 2, 4 and 5. Again, that's it finished. Now, I've already drilled these, but what you do here is use the extended distance gauge, which was the same for all 4 joints. Align Dowelmax to the end of the extended distance gauge and drill 1 and 2, which will give you these 2 here. All we have to do is these are nice snug dowels, which is advantageous. 13 to 13. This is all dry fitted and it's very, very strong and stable. Stronger than a mortise and tenon system.